Lagi ko to guys nakikita sa comment sections ko. Especially versus specially. Yung with E at yung walang E. Ganito lang yung tatandaan nyo dyan. Kapag especially, yung may E, ibig sabihin yan, particularly or above all. Halimbawa, I love chocolate. Especially, yung with E, dark chocolate. Ibig sabihin, mahilig siya sa chocolate, particularly dark chocolate. O kaya, above all, sa lahat ng chocolate, ang pinaka-love niya talaga is yung dark. Another, she is talented, especially at painting. Now, pwede rin ang especially, ang meaning niya ay very much. Halimbawa, the exam was especially difficult. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang siya mahirap, sobrang hirap niya. Now, yun namang especially without E, ang ibig niya naman sabihin, for a particular purpose. Para saan ginawa yung bagay na yun or para kanino ginawa yung bagay na yun. May purpose, may particular reason. For example, the exam was specially made for English majors. Same as the cake was specially made for your birthday. How about this? Anong sagot dito? This song is especially or specially for you.